Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, 5556 Shivaji Nagar, Pune. We have already covered first session on this subject and the content was calibration of equipment. Now this is the second session of this chapter, maintenance and replacement policy. In this content, the objectives are the objective is sorry to know the importance of maintenance department in hotel industry. It is extremely important to have a maintenance department in every hotel. Without maintenance department, not a single department can run. Maintenance department directly related to following department. As you know that there are various departments which works in hand, like kitchen department, food and beverage department, housekeeping department, store and purchase department, human resource, finance and account, and finally front office. So all these departments require the help of maintenance department. Without the coordination of maintenance department, these departments cannot run successfully. So every department needs maintenance department. Now the question may arise, what does a hotel maintenance department do, right? uh, they are often responsible for the management of services and processes that support the core business. If you go and visit any five-star hotel, you'll come to know that why maintenance department plays extremely vital role, because it is one of the major departments which are responsible for the management of services. There are various issues, there are various situations which may arise, and that situation can only manage and handled by maintenance department. Maybe fire in the hotel, maybe any kind of security problem or any other major issues. So all these problems can be easily handled by hotel maintenance department. As you know that the safety is extremely important in five-star hotel, and they ensure the safety of all the staff and guests within the boundaries of the establishment, and they are also responsible for improving energy efficiencies and reducing operating costs. Maintenance department works for the safety and security of the guests and their luggages, not only for guests but in-house staff also. So as and when there will be any emergency which may arise or suddenly it pop up, so maintenance department is the only one department who knows exactly how to handle that situation. So by using these strategies, by using their skill, by using their manpower, they always try to provide better safety and security towards guest property and in-house staff. Even they always try to reduce their operating cost by having a proper source of energy. It will be a eco-friendly product or any other kind of systems which they adopt. So because of that, they always try to reduce their operating cost, which may reduce the extra burden of finance of the management. They protect the integrity of the building through maintenance of building structures. You can see in the picture there are various equipment which are installed everywhere in the five-star hotel, and all these instruments would be checked, would be maintained, would be managed by maintenance department. If they will not maintain it properly and they will not manage it properly, see, you never know when the situation will go wrong, and problem may arise, and people may come in a critical situation. So that is why the whole building would be managed and maintained by engineering department and maintenance department. Hotels are becoming more eco-friendly nowadays, and sorry, and this is being driven by maintenance department. As you know that if you want to reduce the operating cost, you should have eco-friendly practices in your hotel. Unless you will not go for eco-friendly practices, your annual budget may increase. So nowadays all the maintenance departments are going for R&D, that is research and development, for how to go and reduce the operating cost, how to have eco-friendly practices in hotels, and how to minimize the cost. Next is including walls, ceilings and floors, air cons, heatings and cooling plants, water and sewage facilities, furniture, fixtures and equipment, electricity, alarms. And there are so many things uh, which can be properly handled, which can be properly managed by maintenance department. I would say that it's a huge responsibility for any hotel, and having the right team in place ensures that things run smoothly. If the maintenance department are not enough capable and they are not skillful to handle all the jobs properly, then every hotel, I can say confidently that the hotel cannot run successfully and they will face problem in every interval. So it is the whole and sole responsibility of the maintenance department to keep the building safe, to provide all necessary equipment which are required, and whatever the equipments are installed and utilized in production, F&B, housekeeping, front office, and everywhere in the hotel, their core team handle it carefully, and they look after their maintenance and service, and calibration and updation of the product. Then only it is possible to run the things smoothly. In some cases, maintenance departments will outsource certain functions to a third party, like socialists or experts. However, it is still the role of the maintenance manager to oversee the operations of third party suppliers. Uh, uh, when sometimes it is not possible to take care of all the areas and all the sections, so that time hotel management and maintenance department can have a discussion, and they go for a third party help. So but still, being a maintenance department, it is a duty to look after the operations which are done by the third party, to supervise it in a directly or indirectly, so that work will not hamper. So it is also one of the flexibility which was given and which is given in maintenance department. Hotels are becoming more eco-friendly nowadays, and this is being driven by maintenance department, who are seeking more energy efficient procedures and equipment, as well as best practices. Like I have mentioned, there has to have proper potential uh, in every employee. Then experienced staff should be there, and the performance level of the staff, and the knowledge, and there are so many things which cordially help to develop a eco-friendly atmosphere in the hotel, and which may result into reducing the operating cost, and guests may feel satisfied and they would love to come in hotel because everything is handled by eco-friendly practices and innovative practices. Because nowadays the guests are more sophisticated, they won't compromise with uh, eco-friendly practices. They want eco-friendly practice should be there in the hotel, then only they can occupy themselves in those hotels. Because many of the energy saving resources need to be altered or installed by maintenance teams. They are coming with new and innovative ways to reduce cost and improve efficiencies every year. As you know that every people nowadays are more focused about organic things, and they did not want any kind of technology which may attack or which may make any side effects or any impact on their body. So maintenance department nowadays are more focused about how to have a carbon footprint and eco-friendly practices, and which will reduce the low use of technology, and all the things made up of organic material, like cotton, PPC cement, or to use natural sunlight in the lobby area, and to construct the hotel in such a way that you get maximum natural sources, rather electrical sources. So that's how, with the help of innovative ways, it helps to reduce the cost, and it really improves the efficiencies of the hotel as well as the staff. Before going for a revision, I would like to show you one video which is based on maintenance department.
With engineering, we have a direct impact on guests in many ways, like the comfort of the room, like the air conditioning, your hot water systems. You've got a safe, secure room. Everything works in that room.
An engineer's job is going to be handling all the maintenance issues in any given guest room or public space. So my importance in the guest experience is to help making sure that they have that perfect guest experience when they arrive at the resort.
I wake up early in the morning, check my emails just to make sure that person working at night had a pretty good and smooth night.
I brief all my team members and everything for the day, the daily routine work to make sure the external of the rooms like carpet, wallpapers, toilet condition, all in good condition for the guests who have a good experience.
For someone that wants to be an engineer, the skills are guest related because you're in immediate contact with guests. So you need to be able to interface with a guest, but also have the technical skills to be able to troubleshoot a problem and correct an issue the first time. You need to make sure that you have that technical knowledge, from fixing a refrigerator to the next call could be solving a plumbing issue.
There's all those little things we look at and try to improve. So we've replaced every single light bulb to an LED. That must have saved about 15% of electricity consumption overall for this property year on year.
Here it's more than a job or a paycheck. It's a passion that you want to keep everybody happy.
What makes it all worth it is just seeing that guest smile and seeing that new experience and the challenge of what is it going to take for me to meet those expectations? What can I do to exceed what's expected of me? That's what I strive for, and that's what pushes me.
Now we are moving towards the as you have seen in the video that maintenance department plays extremely important role, and without maintenance department not a single department can survive. So that kind of capability, that kind of capacity, that kind of importance has been given to the maintenance department in every hotel. Now moving towards revision, the first question which I would like to ask you, that importance of maintenance department in hotel industry. What do you think personally, what is the importance of maintenance department in a hotel? I believe that you already got the answer for this question, because with the help of videos and with the help of content, you must understood the importance of maintenance department and how it runs in 5-star hotel. There will be a quiz on importance of maintenance department in hotel industry. I will put the quiz link in the comment box of my YouTube channel. You can appear for this quiz and you can see the score the moment you submit the quiz. These are the references which I use for my PowerPoint presentation. These are the books and these many websites. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.